Hi guys, my name is Ferdy and in this video series I will talk about all the elements of Ultimate Addons. What is Ultimate Addons? There is an amazing page builder called Elementor that contains a lot of free elements. With Ultimate Addons you can add even more elements to Elementor that are more advanced and will add more functionality and flexibility. So with Ultimate Addons you can take your website project to the next level. Here are some examples of Ultimate Addons elements. You can get the Ultimate Addons through ferdykorp.com/UAE. This is an affiliate link, so when you buy the add-on through this link, you don't pay more, but I get a commission, so thank you for that. Then you can click on Buy Now, scroll down and then you can choose a package. You can pay with credit card or with PayPal, then you can download Ultimate Addons, upload it to your website, activate it, and then you can use it within Elementor. Do you like what you see so far? Please like this video, and if you're new here, feel free to subscribe for more upcoming videos. Now let's get started. In this video we will take a look at the video element of Ultimate Addons, and I think this is such a great element. Of course, we have the video from Elementor itself, the free version, and you can use YouTube videos, Vimeo, all that other stuff. But with the one of Ultimate Addons, you have so much more options. So let me show you how it works. I can search for video and you see UAEL when it's from Ultimate Addons. So I drag it over here and I think it's really big. So what I can do right mouse click, duplicate, and then right mouse click, duplicate it again. Now I can click over here and I can say I want the column width to be 15%. And also over here, 15%. Then here, right mouse click, delete, and also this one, delete. So now I can take a look over here and it's not too big. So we can use a source from YouTube or Vimeo. Well, I want to search for a video of mine. So I say Ferdy Ultimate Addons. Then we have the price list element and I say right mouse click, copy the link address, and I paste it here, and always make sure there's no time code after it. This is the perfect link. And what I see in my video is that I have an intro of around 77 seconds. I also have a timer if people want to skip it. Now let's get started. So I want to send people to this area in the website because I don't want them to see the whole intro because I think it takes a little bit long. So I say the start time is 67 seconds. And that's a great thing you have over here. You can also say the end time is this and this. So maybe I want to show a little part of a video, then I can say until 160 seconds. But I want them to see the whole video, so I leave it empty. The aspect ratio is 16:9. If you have an old video, you can say 4:3 or 3:2. I use 16:9. We can say the video should play automatically. So I click on update and preview the changes. I close this. I scroll all the way down and now it's starting automatically. Look at the price list element. So that can be handy. I turn it off. Disable related videos at the end of the video. You see related videos. Well, they're all from me, so maybe that's okay. If I turn it off, disable related videos, you don't see them at the end of the video. We can mute the video, so maybe you only want to show a promotion video you have done and you don't want to have the sound, only the video images, then you can mute it. You can have modest branding. If you turn it on, you don't see all the YouTube stuff in the video, but you can have your own logo and things. You can have privacy mode. I never use it. And you can enable double click on a mobile in order for it to play. I leave it as it is. Then we have the thumbnail, an overlay. Well, the thumbnail is okay. You can configure this within YouTube itself. I want to have a maximum resolution. The custom thumbnail, you can have it. You can have an overlay color, and I don't need this. I configure this within YouTube. Then we have the play button. I really don't like this one, play circle. So I search for YouTube, and I want to have the YouTube play button. I want to make it a bit bigger And the color is FF0000. That's a YouTube color. And we can have a text shadow and all that stuff. We can have a hover color, again, FF0000. And I can make it a bit transparent or a bit lighter. So when you hover over it, the color changes. Well, I really don't like this color. Maybe something like that. Hover animation, I can say I want it to grow a little bit. And when I hover over here in the left corner, you still see the hover. That means when I click here, the video will still start. So you don't have to click in this area. I like that. So that's the play button. Then we have the YouTube subscribe bar, and this is the game changer in this element for me. I love this. When someone watches a video on my website and they think, hey, I like it, they can click here and subscribe. So you can select based on the user ID or the channel name. Well, I rather use the channel ID, and then I search for YouTube Ferdy Korpershoek. I click on my YouTube account and I see this code. I copy it.
Hi guys, my name
and I paste it over here. What you see is that it will automatically get the information from my YouTube channel. Then I can change the text over here, subscribe to my YouTube channel, or I can say, please subscribe to my YouTube channel, whatever. Show the subscriber count. If you have a lot of subscribers, then I will do it. If you have not that much, you can turn it off. I turn it on. Then we have the text color. It is white. The background color, I can make it also FF0000. But then this can be a little bit distracting. And I think this color is this color because I already subscribed. I'm not sure if that is the case, but I will be careful with this color. So I can also say make it gray. Make it maybe darker. Like that. We can change the padding. I uncheck this and I say at the top I want it to be 10. And at the bottom I want it to be 10 or 20. 20. And I can make the text a little bit bigger. Like that. Choose a breakpoint where subscriber bar content will stack. You can have spacing. Well, none for me. And if I take a look at the tablet, and a mobile, well, this looks a little bit weird. So I can say stack it on a mobile. That means that this text and this icon will be above each other. So if I go to the tablet, this is okay. And also here I can stack it like that. I think only on a mobile that should be the case. So that's actually it. We have advanced, but all these settings are the same. I can have some padding above and below, so I can say 20. Also at padding 20, but I don't need that. And also for the screen, yeah, maybe at the top 20 and bottom 20. So that's what you can do with this amazing element. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you learned a ton of stuff. Have a great day. Feel free to like this video, to subscribe for more upcoming videos, and then you will see me the next time. Bye bye.